Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss about English 3 Quarter 1 Week 6 of the revised 8 to 12 curriculum with the topic Noting Details. Here are the learning competencies. Comprehend stories. Number 1. Note important elements from stories like characters, setting, and events. And comprehend informational text. Number 1. Note at least 4 to 5 significant details in informational text. And here are our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to answer questions from the story or text read, and participate actively in class. Before we start, let's look at the picture below. Can you identify what it is? Great job! It's a crab. Before we start reading a story, let's unlock the difficult words first. Number 1 is crab. It is a small sea animal with a hard shell, 2 big claws, and 8 legs. Number 2, embarrassed. It means feeling shy, awkward, or uncomfortable. Next, we have number 3, scuttle. It means to move quickly with short, tiny steps, like how a crab moves sideways across the sand. Number 4, stuck. It means you can't move or get out of a place or situation. Number 5, wise. It means knowing a lot and making good choices, especially from experience. And number 6, proudly. It means doing something with happiness and confidence because you feel good about it. Now, we're going to read the short story, then answer the questions that follows. Are you ready? Let's start. The title of our story today is Timo the Crab. A crab named Timo always wished he could walk straight like the other animals and felt embarrassed by his sideways scuttle. One day, while trying to walk forward at the beach, he got stuck between two rocks and couldn't move. A wise old turtle helped him out and said, "The way you move is exactly how you're meant to." From then on, Timo walked proudly, learning that being different is something to celebrate, not hide. This time, let's answer the following questions. Now, let's answer. Number 1. What is the title of the short story? Very good. The title of the short story is Timo the Crab. Number 2. Who are the characters in the short story? Awesome! The characters in the short story are Timo the Crab and the Wise Old Turtle. Number 3. Where did the short story happen? Correct. The short story happened at the beach. And number 4. What is your favorite part of the story and why? Awesome! As for me, my favorite part of the story is when a wise old turtle helped Timo out and said that the way he moves is exactly how he is meant to, because it tells us to accept and embrace who we are and that of our uniqueness is our strength. Now, let's move on to generalization. What is noting details? It's identifying or writing down important details about the story or text, such as characters, setting, and events. It's about answering WH and how questions. Another question: why do we need to note the details? First, for better comprehension. Details help you understand the full meaning of the text or discussion. Number 2, to improve memory. Noting details helps you remember important information. Number 3, to enhance critical thinking. Analyzing details allows you to draw conclusions and make informed decisions. Number 4, to facilitate summarizing. And number 5, to support recall and future reference. Detailed notes allow you to easily recall information later. Now, let's move on to the evaluation. Let's read the directions. Read the given text, then answer the questions that follows. Are you ready? Let's begin. Crabs are animals that live in oceans, on beaches, and sometimes on land. They have a hard shell, two claws, and usually walk sideways. Crabs use their claws to find food and protect themselves. There are many different kinds of crabs all over the world. Here are the questions. You have 5 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. What is the text all about? A. It is all about crabs. B. It is all about the beach. C. It is all about ocean animals. D. It is all about the shells and claws. Number 2. Where do crabs live? A. They live in oceans. B. They live on beaches. C. They live on land at some time. D. All of the above. Number 3. What are the characteristics of crabs? A. They have a hard shell. B. They have two claws. C. They walk sideways. D. All of the above. Number 4. Why are the claws of the crab important? A. Because it helps them to find their food. B. Because it protects them. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Number 5. Which of the following sentences is true about the crab? A. Crabs usually walk forward. B. Crabs have a soft shell and 6 claws. D. Crabs are animals living only on land. D. Crabs have many different kinds all over the world. Now, let's answer. Number 1. The correct answer is letter A. It is all about crabs. Number 2. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Number 3. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Number 4. The correct answer is letter C. Both A and B. Number 5. The correct answer is letter D. Crabs have many different kinds all over the world. Why not letter A? Because crabs usually walk sideways and not forward. Why not letter B? Because crabs have a hard shell and 8 claws, not soft shell and 6 claws. Why not letter C? Because crabs live not only on land, but also on ocean and on beaches. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3, Quarter 1, Week 6 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Noting Details.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.